Hello there and welcome to How to Become More YouTube channel. If you're looking to have more impact, more income, and more time to spend with your family with more money to do so, you're at the right place. We're going to help you to enhance your performance and create even subjects, videos that are from 30 seconds, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, a whole variety of them on enhancing your performance, as I said, and also your abundance mindset. Clarify what you need to do and what you need to do next in order to make it happen much faster. How about increasing your confidence? Stop procrastination. Overcome the fear of failure and different challenges that you may have. I was a national trainer for Tony Robbins, and he always said, success leaves clues, and results are the name of the game. So as you're interested in increasing your game to the next level, subscribe to this channel and ring the bell so you can be notified every time a new video comes out, and I do that multiple times a week. Welcome to How to Become More, and see you soon.